Are you in need of converting Outlook PST files to MBOX format? Introducing SysTools PST to MBOX Converter Tool. Best tool to convert PST to MBOX format. Key features of the software. PST to MBOX Converter Tool provides option to select PST from system and search inside selected drive or all drive. In advanced scan option, recover and export corrupted PST file to MBOX. Capable to remove Outlook email encryptions, SMIME and OpenPGP. The software provides advanced settings option, which have date range filter. To download the software, go to Google and search SysTools PST to MBOX Converter. Click on the link shown on your system screen. Then click on the download button. Now install and run the software. The first window will appear of the software. Here you will see the option of Add File to add your data. Click on the Add File button. A small window will appear. In this window you will see two options. Select File or Search File. In Select File, you can select PST file from system. And in Search File option, the tool auto-fetches the PST file inside selected drive or all drive. Choose Select File option. And click on three dots to browse the file. Select the Advanced Scan option if your file is highly corrupted. If you want to recover your deleted data, then select the Recover Permanently Deleted Items option. If you check Remove Encryption option, a window will pop up for Decrypt SMIME and OpenPGP encryption. Now, click on the Add button. The tool will start the scanning process. After completing the scanning process, the tool will ask you for Save Scanned Data. If you want to save, then click on the Yes button. You will see the folder tree in the left side of the software pane. Click on the required folder, and you will see all files in the right side of the software pane. If you select any email, you will see the email preview in the bottom. The tool provides various preview options to analyze your emails like normal mail view, hex view, properties, message header, MIME view, HTML, RTF, and attachments. Default view option will be normal mail view. If you want to export selected emails, then select the emails and click on the Export Selected option. If you want to export all emails, then click on the Export option. One window will appear. Select any folder which you want to export. Here you will see multiple export option. Select MBOX Radio button, and click on the Advanced Settings option. To export specific date range data, you can select the Date Range filter and click on Add button. Select the date, month and year. And also add the end date. You can add multiple date range filter. If you want to remove added date range, then you can remove by clicking on the Remove option. Click on the Save button to save the settings. Here you can see the default location to save converted files. If you want to change the default location, click on the Browse button. Select the destination path, and click on the OK button. If you want to save only deleted data, then select Save Permanently Deleted Items Only option. You can select the Maintain Folder hierarchy to maintain the folder structure. If you do not want to export empty folder, then you can select the Don't Export Empty Folders. For select this option, you have to unselect the Maintain Folder hierarchy option. Also, you can choose the Ignore System Folders to exclude all the system folder while exporting process. Select Create Single MBOX for each PST file option. At last, click on the Export button to start the conversion process. The tool will start the conversion process. Once the export process is completed successfully, click on OK. Export status window will pop up. In this window you can see your export status. You can directly access the converted file by clicking on the location. Here you will see the converted MBOX files. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.